He's in a rush. That is correct, guys. We're back in the United States, back in Los Angeles. It's been raining for the past few days. The weather is a bit grim, but we got the SVR all locked up here, and with the cover on for the past 2.5 weeks. Of course, we got the Jag logo right over here. Many thanks to Hamid, who works at the Range Rover Jaguar dealership off Sunset Boulevard. Now, by the way, I got a lock for the car cover because my roommate once had his car cover stolen right in this exact spot, or was it on the street? I don't really remember. Either way, his car cover got stolen because he did not, quote unquote, lock it down. So we're gonna get my keys right over here, hop onto the other side, and unlock the sucker. Taking off the cover right now, guys. Now the real question is, will the car start up after being in hibernation for the past 2.5 weeks? Well, we all know that this car had electrical issues and especially battery issues. By the way, it is on its either second or third battery. All right, we're in business, guys. The car is alive. 2.5 weeks in hibernation, ready to go. Well, we're not really going anywhere. I just want to see the car started up, that's all. Anyways, we got Nagelson, but fun factoid, this one is missing the bell. So we're back in Los Angeles, better than ever. We're here to do a little car spawn at the CNC Motors warehouse over here. Also, apparently Travis Scott's Laferrari is out as well. So we're gonna try and head back to Los Angeles, check it out. But dude, we're back here in the United States, and I just noticed that this Rolls Royce has a blue interior. Look at that. That is sick. That is really, really nice. Currently here in the rear section of the CNC Motors warehouse, we got the 350Rs. There's two of them, one in black and one in yellow right over here. Pretty sick. Of course, you got the badge right in the interior right over here. Look at that. Boom. Yellow looks all right. Not my color of choice. I'm looking for a blue one. That would be nice with a black stripe with the red outlining on the outside right there. 6-speed manual. These things are beast. I think this car right here is a top contender for one of the loudest and best sounding stock exhausts out on the market. But honestly, I think the 350, not the R variant, is a better buy. I mean, the only difference is the wheels and a couple aesthetics on the front lip and of course the wing. But it doesn't really justify a $15,000 to $20,000 increase in price for the R variant. But the 350s are just as good, I think. Because this is a black car, you see a lot of like scratches and whatnot, but that's easily correctable. But man, potential Leapmobile in the future. Got the 599 GTO wannabe over here. Check out this badge on this GTR, just skull with angel wings on the side. Any Porsche enthusiast, this is eye candy for days. You got a plethora of them and very interesting specs. Of course, we've got a couple Gallardos and Aventadors over there, but tons of Ferraris, a lot of Porsches. Let's head on to the front and talk about some of the hypercars that are on sale. We got the tailor-made F12 TDF right over here, and we got the regular F12 TDF. Now it's a little hard to see, but the one on the left is a special Bianco Liana white. It's a pearl white. I don't think you can see it on camera, but this one looks infinitely better than the one to the right, which is just basic white, I guess. And it's got the standard black carbon bits right over here, and the stripe delete. Got the dark blue stripe and the dark carbon bits. This is straight up Japan spec right here, guys. Yellow calipers. Got the little Italian flag on the side there, and of course, got matte blue carbon on the interior. Go from the rear here, but this is a beautiful white right here. This is a 10 out of 10 F-spot approved spec. Quick rundown of the cars. We got a standard LaFerrari coupe with the black top. You don't see a lot of full painted LaFerraris out. We got the 918, we got the Carrera GT. Of course, you got the special one of two. I forgot the exact color code of this green LFA, but there's two of them. The other one has a red interior. Heritage 4 GT, Pagani Huayra Roadster, and of course the Agera RS. I don't think these two cars are for sale. They're just for show. Kind of attract the crowd in here. Which car would you choose if you choose just one out of all the cars here, guys? Just one. Of course, all the ones in the back too, but I didn't film everything, but you would probably choose one of the cars in this lineup. I think another issue you have to consider is the daily factor. Which car would you daily? Of course, you got the green LFA, most likely the most reliable car out of all these here that you see, but That being said, it is neither here or there. We're gonna head on out back to Los Angeles. Maybe look for Travis Scott's LaFerrari, I don't know. So we got two of them right over here. And of course, get a Saint Noir Veyron in the lobby right over there. I will film in a second, but dude, which car would he choose? Only one. Let me know in the comments below. I'm going to go with the green LFA. The Saint Noir Veyron with the wing up right here, guys. Not bad. There you guys have it.
Oh God.
I know this guy. This
guy's just giving up.
This guy has just given up. This truck has been blocking the intersection for the past 2 minutes, and we got a cute little dog right over here. Check that out. What? Dog spots. So my buddy Graham, about a couple hours ago, he said he saw this LaFerrari, which is covered up off La Cienega right here, and we just got back to Los Angeles, and lo and behold, it is in front of us. No fucking way. What are the chances of that happening? Ooh. I don't think it's him in it, is it?
Shift, bro.
Come on, you can do a little bit better shifting than that. We got Max Showstack at the helm here, just keeping this guy on lockdown. Ooh, it must be like the valet or something, you think? We're gonna just park the trusty BMW 335i.
Where am I gonna park?
There it is right there. No shit. Look, like they're covering up the car right now. Not even joking. They're covering up the car. You try parking right here in the loading zone real quick. There it is, guys. Travis Scott's LaFerrari covered up here on La Cienega Boulevard in Los Angeles. What are the chances of us stumbling across this car when it moved like what, a couple hundred feet from that valet to here? But there it is. So here's Travis Scott's Instagram stories. Boom, there it is in the flesh, guys. Whoop. Ooh. That's crazy to see one on the streets. Los Angeles, baby.
Big ass horse on the
I know he's got the big Ferrari logo on the front. It's a good cover though, I like it. Dang. Dude, check this out. So we got Travis Scott's Range Rover in white. It's got brown parts all over it. And of course the LaFerrari in question, which is suspiciously covered up on a very busy street here in Los Angeles. All that missing is either Kylie's LaFerrari or Kylie herself. He's actually going on tour to Vancouver tomorrow, then Portland, back in Los Angeles in about a week and a half, I think. So we'll see what happens. Oh shit, there he is, yeah.
Where?
Let's go check it out. Dude, the whole entourage is out. Check that out. Got Travis Scott rolling in the LaFerrari right over there. It's a little dark. I think I filmed a LaFerrari a couple years ago with Justin Bieber and Lewis Hamilton. Dude, there it is. No way. Apologize for my poor... Oh, look at that. He's trying to block the shot with the light. But all that really is doing is illuminating the car right there. Do you see that anti-paparazzi light? There it is. He's in a rush. Ooh, the emergency brakes. See, you got the impeccable 40x zoom optical on the Sony camcorder, baby. Bam! Nice! Dude, he hauled ass. Desperate times call for desperate measures, guys. Rodeo Drive is absolutely dead. We haven't been here in many weeks. We got the new Vantage rolling through here. Look at that. Much?
$7,500 US.
For the plush toy? How big's the plush toy?
It's like this.
Oh, it's just like a 12-inch figurine.
Yeah.
We got the full-size one made out of rose petals, apparently. There it is, the Louis store. It's like a 30-foot tall figurine right here. Oh. So that's the one in New York. This is the one in Beverly Hills. A 3D statue of this designer at the Louis store on Rodeo. Guys, you know it's bad in Beverly Hills when someone valets a V6 F-Type in front of the Beverly Wilshire. There it is. is really dead. There's no cars out except for the Vantage. A couple weird designer displays here in Rodeo. That's going to pretty much end today's vlog, I guess. Hope you guys enjoyed Travis Scott's LaFerrari. CNC Motors, a little Jaguar F-Type SVR fuckboying around. Back in Los Angeles, the boys and girls. So stay tuned. We got a lot of stuff coming up. Peace. What is going on all the way? I don't know. I don't think they look like Pena though. Oh, look, another cop just showed up.
Oh shit.
Oh shit. Wait. Oh, is that Pena?